はい、下平と申します。日本の会社の役員、代表取締役です。タイにいる理由は、妻がタイ人なのと、年齢的にもう寒いのに耐えられないので、こちらにずっと今住んでいます。趣味はゴルフで週に3回ぐらいやってます。
This patient is a 71 years old Japanese patient. He came here to visit us about the both knee pains. So he has knee pain for like several years. He has difficulty in walking and daily life, especially in golfing. So he loves golfing. He tried to do any treatment to get him back to golfing. So he went back to Japan, like for several hospital and surgeon over there to see how can he treat this and go back to golfing. But surgeon over there told him that he should stop golfing. So he decided to come here to ask us for an opinion and about treatment.
だいたい10年ぐらい前から、階段や坂道の上り下り、特に、降りる時に膝が痛んできました。
He have two medical concerns that we are concerned about. Is the one thing is he has thrombocytopenia, which is a low platelet count, which we concerned about the bleeding after surgery. So we have to concern about that. The second thing is he has aortic aneurysm, which has been done the mesh placement before. So we are concerning about that too. So we will pay more attention to these two conditions before the surgery.
一番は知り合いの勧めです。それまで、自分の細胞から膝の軟骨を作る再生医療も試みましたが、あまり効かず、それまで1ヶ月に1回痛み止めの関節注射をしていたんですけども、それもだんだん効果が薄れてきたので、思い切って、人工関節置き換え術を受けようと思いました。
Okay, from the X-ray, we can see that this patient had both knee arthritis, which is like we can see the joint line here is a little bit narrowing compared to the other sides, but it is the same with the left knee and the right knee. So this calls stage 3, which is approaching stage 4. And this patient has been treated with the conservative treatment for a long time and is like didn't help him with the pain. So the surgery is indicated in this patient.
いつもこちらにお世話になっているので、肩の腱板手術とか虫垂炎など病気になった時はすぐにこちらの病院でお世話になってましたので、こちらでやってもらうことを決めました。
This patient has been done the bilateral total knee replacement. So when the knee is damaged, the bone and the cartilage was damaged. So we cut the damaged surface out and then we put the implant in. So when we cut the surface out, it's gonna look like this. And then we cut all the damage out and then we put the implant in both from the upper bone and the lower bone. And after that, the patient can move freely with the implant.
手術をした人、翌日は麻酔のせいであまり痛くなかったのですが、その後は痛いのと感覚が麻痺しているので、ベッドから降りるのも辛かったです。先生に3ヶ月ぐらいはゴルフを禁止されてましたけども、もう我慢できずに40日ぐらいで隠れてゴルフしてしまいました。歩行器を使って手術後3日で歩けるようになりました。手術後5日で退院して、その日は自宅の階段をつかまりながら上がって、壁伝いにトイレにも行けました。
For the clinical outcome, the patient has good alignment of both legs and we put the prosthesis in the good position. So we are happy with that, and there is no complication after the surgery. There is no infection. There is no bleeding after the surgery. The wound is healing good, so that is good for the clinical outcome. For functional outcome, the patient can go back to do his daily activity, and he can go back for golfing. So he do golfing like 3 to 5 times a week. So he was happy with that.
先生の見回りもしょっちゅうありましたし、看護婦さんも呼んだらすぐ来てくれるのですごく助かりました。トイレに行くのも呼んだらすぐに看護婦さんが来てくれました。ただ寝たきりだったので、3日間便秘をしたのが辛かったです。
The first thing is his underlying condition, which is the thrombocytopenia and the aortic aneurysm, which we need to consult a hematologist before that to preoperative evaluation before the surgery. And the second thing is the high expectation of the daily activity life, especially in golfing. So he wants to go back to golfing with this 71 age. So we need to do like with the new implant to get him back to the expectation that he wants.
手術を検討しているなら早くした方がいいと思います。先生も手術が上手ですし、膝の痛みはなくなります。早く検討して先生と相談してやってみてください。
Number one, we have a multidisciplinary team, which we evaluate the patient before the surgery, the preoperative evaluation with the hematologist, and he did all the preoperative evaluation to prepare the patient to ready for the surgery. And in the operating theater, we have a professional team with the anesthesiologist who do the pain intervention for us, and we do it every day. So it's like a teamwork. So after the surgery, we are going back to the ward, and then we have a rehabilitation team to do all the rehab thing for the patient. So during all the journey, we have like many people to do all the thing for the patient. So it's like a success of the team. So the patient get like the best experience with that. Number two, our hip and knee center, the total knee replacement program is certified by the international standard. Okay, number three, we use the digital template in every case in this hospital before the surgery. So we can know like the precise placements of the implant before we do the surgery. Number four, in this patient, he expects to do a lot of activity, so we recommend him to use the premium prosthesis. So for the premium prosthesis, he can like have more flexibility, and also like the longevity of the implant was longer. So we use the newer and the premium one for this patient. So for all of these elements, we'll give the patient the best possible outcome.